Yes, you are watching Cartell TV and I'm Simone.
Now hold on to your handlebars because today I'm taking the channel on a detour from our usual car reviews to delve into the world of electric bicycles.
Today I have with me the 2023 ENGWE EP-2 Pro. Now this bicycle is set to turbocharge your idea of what a biking experience should be.
So fasten your helmets because we're about to embark on a two-wheeled adventure that will leave you electrified.
First things first, let's talk design.
The first thing that stands out are these monstrous 20-inch fat tyres. Tough. For me, it's these tyres that allow it to stand out as one of the most unique e-bikes on the road. The EP-2 Pro sports a foldable alloy frame that's so convenient. It's like the bicycle version of a transformer, ready to tuck itself away in the trunk of your car or accompany you through stairways.
It comes in 3 colour choices.
A black, grey and this orange.
Now, while I probably wouldn't choose this hue of orange on a car, unless it was a Lamborghini, I'm really kind of digging it here. You know what, this could kind of be my Lamborghini on 2 wheels.
Now let's delve into the tech specs. The EP-2 Pro comes with a 48-volt 13 amp hour battery.
Sound impressive? Well, what that actually means is it will give you a range of up to 60 kilometres or 37 miles, enough to comfortably accommodate most people's practical uses.
Recharging the battery to full takes about 6.5 hours. You have the option of charging it whilst enclosed on the e-bike or easily removing it and charging it separately using the included charger just plugged into any standard 240-volt outlet. The motor on this thing is a beastly 750-watt Bafang motor. It's like having a turbo boost at your fingertips, or should we say pedal tips. With the power to reach speeds up to 45 kilometres per hour or 28 miles per hour. It gives you a powerful and capable ride. The version we have is restricted to 25 kilometres per hour to meet Australian regulations.
The EP-2 Pro is equipped with plush 20 by 4 inch fat tyres that make you feel like you're floating on clouds.
When combined with the beefy and adjustable front suspension system, it works a treat in smoothing out bumps and cracks on the road, even on uneven surfaces. This electric bike rides as smoothly as a hot knife through butter. There are mud guards above the tyres that help shield you, whilst adding to the rugged charm.
Now, it's important to note that transport laws regarding electric bicycles can vary from country to country and even from state to state.
So it's always a wise move for prospective buyers to check the relevant laws and regulations in their specific location before making any decisions.
This digital display screen is fantastic. It's front mounted, it's prominent, and it's relatively bright for easy visibility.
It has an odometer as well as displaying your speed and speed settings. Now let's talk convenience. Adjusting the ride height is simple and very fast. The standard lighting is bright with an LED front light and a rear brake light indicator. They are turned on and off from a small button on the control panel near the left handlebar. That's also where you can adjust the 5 levels of pedal assist modes from. And what we've found in our testing is switching through these with just the press of a button, you can adapt the amount of power the bike gives you to accommodate hills, different rider sizes, and just your overall preferred speed. We tested it in a range of conditions and found the battery motor combo could easily handle whatever we threw at it. Other features include front and rear disc brakes. With a 7-speed Shimano transmission, you can shift gears like a pro, conquering hills and valleys with ease. As always, safety first, folks.
So there you have it, folks. This was the 2023 ENGWE EP-2 Pro electric bicycle, our first foray into the world of e-bikes on our channel.
And what a thrilling debut it's been. With its sleek design, impressive tech specs, and the ability to make your riding experience smoother than a karaoke session with Mariah Carey, this electric bicycle is a winner. Buckle up, or should I say helmet up, and get ready for the ride of your life. We have links and more info on where to buy your ENGWE EP-2 Pro in the description below, as well as an exclusive discount code so you can save some money when ordering this beast of an e-bike.